Planning and preparing. 1. Introduction to the course. Welcome to the Meeting Management course. You are on your first project and you have to organize and manage the project kickoff meeting. What do you do first? Do you create the agenda or the invitation list? How do you run a meeting? What preparation do you need? All of these are valid and real questions you, as the meeting manager, must address. There is no doubt about it. Meetings require skill and technique in order for the meeting to achieve its purpose. Disorganized and poorly managed meetings waste time and hurt your credibility as a meeting manager. Consistently leaving a poor impression with the attendees will haunt you if left unchecked. This training course is designed to give you the basic tools you need to initiate and manage your meetings. You will learn planning and leading techniques that will give you the confidence to run a meeting that will engage your attendees and leave a positive and lasting impression. This is a hands-on course and your participation will help make it a valuable experience. Use this time to begin the process of developing your skills along with other learners who share the same desire to improve their meeting management skills. Before we begin, let's get to know each other better. Since we will be spending most of today working with each other, it is worth the time to share some things about ourselves now, making it easier to engage in the course. Course objectives. Research has consistently demonstrated that when clear goals are associated with learning, it occurs more easily and rapidly. By the end of this course, learners will planning and preparing, identifying the participants, how to choose the time and place, how to create the agenda, how to set up the meeting space, how to incorporate your electronic options, meeting roles and responsibilities, use an agenda, chairing a meeting, how to deal with disruptions, how to professionally deal with personality conflicts, how to take minutes, how to make the most of your meeting using games, activities and prizes.